That is your husband.
Okay, now I'm live on our team page.
All right, make sure you get all that valuable chalk. Get that stuff soaked right on up. Clean up all the extra. Make sure you dabble your corners out real good too. Don't leave any streaks or anything on there, an extra bubble, because you know if you're like somebody I know real well and you leave them laying around in the kitchen for a couple hours, that stuff hardens up real well. If it's a crust, it's hard to get it cleaned off, but make it nice and smooth. I tell you what, that sucker washes right off clean. You'll be able to use this transfer a good 20, 30 times if you practice that, and I tell you what, keep it clean. And the squeegees too, you gotta do the same thing, because let me tell you, get that under like rock hard concrete. You throw these things at your kid like a hockey puck in the middle of winter, man, it's gonna leave a bruise too. Woo. I tell you what though, boy, man, it is some good stuff here. You gotta watch it when you get to the edges, you get that roll. If you don't do the grater effect and get it pulled in nice and tight, you are gonna get it dribbled on where you do not want it. I tell you what, boy, I've done that a time or two, and it is not fun, because well, you just gotta wipe the whole thing off and start all over again. Sometimes you do that when you don't like the color you've used. Hey, it works out just well. Gotta make sure you don't get any lines drawn through, but I think we're looking pretty good here. Let it set up a little, and where's our pan we're washing this off in? We're just gonna huck it and throw it.
Over there.
Over there.
I'll take care of it for you.
You'll take care of it, right on. See, then you gotta watch out. You got your fingers. You always wanna use a clean one to rip her off. See, somebody's got this on here nice and tight. See, when I do it, I cheat and leave a corner up so it's nice off real quick so you look like you've done it a million times. Oh, look at this perfecto, I tell you what. You know, the beauty of it too is it's got the little holes already done into the transfer here. Tell you what, so if you do screw up a little bit, it still looks good.
Thank you for watching this episode of Mark Chalks.
No problem.